Namaste, and welcome once again to the series of Ayurveda learning. In my previous videos, we have understood what are the five elements: the Akash, Vayu, Agni, Jal, and Prithvi, and how the energies of these five elements combine to form the three humors or the physiological units of the body, that is the Vat, Pitta, and the Kapha. These in turn form the prakriti or the constitution of an individual. I have spoken earlier also that an individual is born with a unique identity, that is, a unique combination of the energies. This prakriti remains constant throughout a lifespan. There are around 13 constitutions mentioned in the Ayurveda text, 3 being basic and 10 being the minor ones. So the 3 basics are the Vat Prakriti, Pitta Prakriti, and the Kapha Prakriti. The other 10 are a combination of these 3 which combine in different forms, can be Vat Pitta or Pitta Vat, can be Vat Kapha or can be Kapha Vat or Pitta Kapha. So they combine in different forms, and in total we have 13 constitutions mentioned in the texts. It is very important for a perfect health to keep these humors in balance. अब इन ह्यूमर्स को बैलेंस में रखना अपने शरीर के अंदर और बाहर के एनवायरनमेंट के साथ भी बैलेंस रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अब अपने शरीर की आंतरिक बैलेंस रखने के लिए जो नियम बताए गए हैं उनमें सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बताया गया है हमारा अन्न, दैट इज़ आवर फूड. Along with food, a lot of stress has been laid on the lifestyle, that is, our daily living habits. The habits that we follow on day-to-day basis, as well as with the changing seasons. It is very important to align with these changes and to be in balance with this environmental systems also for a perfect health, to achieve that perfect health and eternal youthfulness and glow. I thank you all for the overwhelming responses you are giving for these videos. I have been receiving a few calls and queries inquiring about what is the way to diagnose and to understand our prakriti. So the ideal way is by the pulse diagnosis. आप एक सक्षम आयुर्वेद वैद्य के पास जाते हैं जिसे नाड़ी पढ़नी आती है, वो आपकी एक खाली पेट की नाड़ी देखते हैं और आपकी प्रकृति के बारे में बता सकते हैं. But today I will just give you a brief outline of the 3 constitutions and the general guidelines and general features, the signs and symptoms about the 3, the Vat, Pitta and the Kapha Prakriti. So just a humble request, please do not draw a firm conclusion by my symptoms. It is just a outline. It is just a guideline to let you know what is the basic constitution. So to start with, we will just discuss upon the physical and also the psychological symptoms of the 3 constitutions. To start with, the Vat Prakriti. The Vat constitution people are generally very lean, thin and tall with prominent joints. Their skin, hair is normally very dry and rough, and especially the skin gets very dry in winters. They have even cracked heels during that time. Even their nails get cracked. Their emotional factors, they are very sharp. They are very intelligent and creative people, but they have a tendency of anxiety and insecurity. Talking of the Pitta people, they are medium built and have sharp and penetrating eyes. Their joints are normal and their skin is also normal, but sometimes they are prone to acne and outbreaks during the summer and humid weathers. They are also very sharp and intelligent, creative people. Talking of the Kapha people or the Kapha Prakriti, the Kapha is predominantly the water element, so it gives them solidity and a little heaviness. The Kapha people are a little on the heavy built side. Their skin is a little thick and they have good amount of collagen and fat under their muscles. They are very stable, दे आर वेरी पीसफुल और शांत प्रकृति के। उनको आप कभी भी जल्दी से गुस्सा होते हुए या एजिटेटेड नहीं देखेंगे, और उनके डिसीजंस भी होते हैं वो बहुत आराम से सोच समझ कर काम लेते हैं, और उन्हें किसी चीज़ की जल्दी नहीं होती। वो बहुत स्लोली दे मूव विद द फ्लो। So these were the general guidelines, the signs and symptoms by which you can assess or just get to know what is your constitution, Vat, Pitta or Kapha. When we get to understand the five elements, the properties of these five elements and how they combine in the body to form our energy systems, the energy systems that govern our metabolism and the whole physiology of the body, it becomes so easy to understand your body and to take it on a healing process. When you understand the properties of the five elements, you can very well draw a conclusion what to eat and how to keep your body in balance. In my upcoming videos, I shall be discussing in detail about the three Prakriti, the do's and don'ts about each body constitution, that is the Vat, Pitta and the Kapha. उसमें मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी आहार विहार के बारे में कि वात, पित्त और कफ के आहार विहार क्या होने चाहिए, उनको किस तरह के भोजन का सेवन करना चाहिए ताकि उनकी बॉडी, उनका शरीर एक बैलेंस स्टेट में रहे एंड दे आर डिजीज फ्री. सो कीप वॉचिंग एंड टिल देन स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे हेल्दी. थैंक यू.